Hello teachers, today I will try to explain to you how to make a screen recording on your iPhone or iPad. So to begin with, you need to swipe up or down on your device and bring up your control center. So as you can see on the bottom left, you see my screen recording icon blinking. That means I am recording. So if you do not have that, what you need to do is go to your settings. On your settings, you need to go on Control Center, then Customize Controls, and all the ones that are already on there will appear. There's the screen recording one, it's the fifth one down. If you do not have one, okay, you can find it under More Controls. So these are all the ones I do not have. I could add them to it if I wanted to. Okay, so make sure you have the screen recording icon. Okay, so then, okay, let's do that again. Okay, so when you first do this, okay, you need to press the screen recorder and it will show you if your mic is not on, and it probably will not be on because the default is that it's off. So make sure you enable your mic by pressing the microphone button, and then you're ready to go. So it will give you an option on where to send your screen recording. The default is your pictures. Now you can also let it go straight to your Zoom if you so choose, but mine goes to my pictures because it's easy to share from there. Okay, so let's go and let's see how we would do a lesson with this. Okay, I'm going to bring up my pictures. Okay, of course, now I can't find it. Okay, here they are. Okay, so let me see. Okay, this morning I did a little recording on a girl named Mona, who is part of a rock group in Germany. So I read this text, which is an authentic text, to my students, and this one too. And then I posted questions about this text on the Google Classroom. So when you're finished, all you have to do is go to the top of your screen. My screen is red to the top where the clock is, but yours may have a red stripe on the top. You might have to swipe down a little bit to see the red stripe. So all you do is click on that and then you stop the recording. So it's pretty simple. It's a really quick way to make a nice little lesson video. I hope you'll try it.